All right, guys, imagine having a highly skilled personal assistant who works for you 24/7, completely free of complaints, handles all your tedious emails, updates your spreadsheets, summarizes your hectic meetings, and even schedules your social media posts, all controlled directly inside your favorite chat app, Telegram. Look, we all want to get into advanced AI automation, but let's be honest, setting up complex open source tools like OpenClaw or coding your own workflows can take hours, if not days. But today, I stumbled onto a brand new platform called SuperIntern that does all the heavy lifting for you through a beautifully clean interface. In today's video, I am going to walk you through the entire platform step by step, show you some absolute game-changing use cases, and even teach you how to build your own custom private AI skill. Trust me, you'll want to watch this one until the very end. Let's get into it. First things first, we need to head over to the SuperIntern website and create an account. The very first thing it asks you to do is name your AI assistant. I'm just going to type a name right here and hit continue. Next up, it's going to prompt you to connect to third-party platforms right away. For now, let's just skip this step and skip the next one too. We'll set those up manually in a second. Then you'll see an option to enter a referral code. Now, I'm going to leave my exclusive referral link and code down in the description and pinned comment below. Make sure to use it when signing up so you can grab some extra bonus credits and benefits right off the bat. Now it's asking us to connect our Telegram account. I'll click right here, which redirects me to the Telegram web login page. Just log into your account. Once logged in, search for the SuperIntern bot inside Telegram. Open the chat and type /start. The bot will give you a unique verification code. Simply copy that code, paste it back, complete the remaining profile configurations, and boom, we are officially logged in. Now, look at this clean dashboard. You've got a ton of features here, so let's break them down one by one. First, let's look at the Action Items section. This is where the AI displays tasks that need your immediate attention. To make this actually work, we need to connect our tools. If you look at the Installed Skills option at the top, you'll see that the Gmail skill is already built in right out of the box. Click on the Connect button next to Gmail. It will open up a standard Google login pop-up. Just authorize the access, hit continue, and you are officially linked. If you ever want to remove it, you can disconnect it with literally one click. Now that it's connected, click on Extract All Action Items. The AI is going to go into the background and scan your unread inbox. Instead of showing you a wall of text, it filters through the noise and tells you exactly which emails are critical, who needs a reply, and what steps you need to take next. Now, let's jump back into our Telegram app to see how this works on the go. By the way, the chat feature inside the website and the Telegram bot function exactly the same way, so you can use whichever you prefer. If you type a simple / in the chat, a menu pops up showing commands like install, uninstall skills, reminders, and reset. If you ever get lost, just type help to get a full breakdown of all available tags. Let's give the bot a real test. I'll type this prompt directly into Telegram. Give me a summary of my important emails from today. Show only emails that need my attention or reply. It starts scanning my Gmail again, and look at that. It spits out a perfect, concise summary of my most critical emails. It can accurately read, understand, and filter messages based on real urgency. Let's simulate a real client situation. I'm going to use my secondary email account to send a random message to my main business email. Let's type, "Hey, I'm looking for premium AI automation services for my business. Kindly share your service details as soon as possible." Now, I'll open my Telegram bot and ask it, "Find the last email from Alex." Boom! It instantly fetches the email, reads the context, and shows me the exact request. Now, let's tell our virtual intern how to respond to Alex. I'll type, "Okay, please handle this email. First, know about my company. We provide AI automation services for small businesses covering things like Claude code setups, OpenClaw configurations, and essential workflow automations. For more information, point them to the AIBICEPS YouTube channel." The AI
instantly goes to work drafting a response. Once it's done, it sends me a button that says Review Draft. When I click it, it takes me directly into my Gmail Drafts folder. Look at this response. The formatting is clean, the tone is professional. While you can technically tell the bot to send the email automatically without your review, I highly recommend saving it as a draft first. That way, you can read over it, make quick manual edits, and ensure everything looks flawless before hitting send. If you ever want to clear your current conversation and start fresh, just type /reset in Telegram. If you look over at the web dashboard and refresh, you'll notice that your entire chat history is safely organized in the sidebar, letting you pick up any previous conversation whenever you want. Plus, under the web dashboard's Action Items tab, you can see our draft for Alex sitting right there. If you click Edit with AI, you can give it quick instructions like make this email sound more human and professional, and it will rewrite it instantly. When you send it from this dashboard, it routes cleanly through your actual email provider, meaning it lands straight in your client's main inbox, never the spam folder.
Now let's talk about one of the coolest features on this platform, the meetings automation. If you're a freelancer, agency owner, or student who sits through endless Google Meet sessions, you know how annoying it is to take notes while trying to stay engaged. With this feature, the AI will listen to your meeting, transcribe it, pull out the core action items, and text you the summary automatically. To set this up, we use this exact prompt, Meeting Automation Prompt. After every Google Meet ends, do this automatically. 1. Transcribe the full meeting. 2. Create a clear summary with these points: main topics discussed, key decisions made, action items with owners and deadlines if mentioned. 3. Draft follow-up emails if needed. 4. Create tasks from the action items. 5. Send me the full meeting summary plus action items on Telegram. To activate this, you just need to link your schedule. Click on Connect Google Calendar, go through the standard secure Google authentication, grant permissions, and copy-paste that prompt into the SuperIntern web chat. Now, the next time you finish a calendar-linked meeting, the system triggers automatically behind the scenes and drops a beautiful summary right into your Telegram chat. Make sure to test this one out. Let's dive into the Settings menu located at the bottom left. Here, you have total control over how your assistant behaves. Under Model Instructions, you can give your AI specific system rules. If you scroll down to the API Key section, you can even plug in your own custom models if you prefer. Under Advanced Settings, you can toggle between different LLMs. Pro tip: under Account Configuration and Security, please make sure to enable two-factor verification right away. Since you're connecting your emails and calendars, keeping your account locked down is super important. You'll also find an Email Templates tab here, which lets you add custom HTML or text branding to your automated emails, keeping your client communication looking highly professional. Next up is the Brain section. This is your custom knowledge base. You can upload corporate PDFs, onboarding documents, or text files about your business rules here. By giving the agent access to these files, it can reference your actual business guidelines to answer questions and write emails without making things up or hallucinating. Right below that is the Contacts tab, which automatically saves data on any lead or client your AI interacts with, making future outreach personalized and effortless. Now, let's address the elephant in the room: data security. SuperIntern is a relatively new platform, but they are incredibly transparent about data privacy. They explicitly state that your information is securely managed, no team member can read your emails or calendar without explicit permission, and they do not sell your data to third parties. You can also request a full data export or permanent deletion at any time. However, since it is a fresh platform, I highly recommend testing it out using a secondary or backup email account first until you're fully comfortable with the setup. If you go to My Intern and click on Skills, you'll see a tab for Public Skills. This is a library packed with pre-made integrations for apps like Google, Twitter, and Notion. Let's click on the Notion skill to open its dedicated page and click Install. Simple as that. To finalize the connection, go to More in the top bar, click on Integrations, search for Notion, and hit Authorize. A page selection window will open. I'll select my private My Intern workspace page that I previously created in Notion and click Allow Access.
and add these points. This is my first test with SuperIntern. I connected Gmail and Notion. I want to save meeting notes here. It instantly generated the new page with all my bullet points perfectly formatted. You can use this to automate your entire workflow. For example, you can instruct it, every time a Google Meet ends, take the summary and automatically save it to my Notion database with the proper title and date. Go ahead and explore the possibilities here. But what if a public skill doesn't do exactly what you want? Well, you can actually build your own custom private AI skill without writing a single line of code. Let's do something really interesting for my AIBICEPS LinkedIn page. My page focuses on daily AI news and robotics updates. I want to build a custom skill that finds the latest AI news online, designs a branded image post, and drafts a caption for my page.
Let's click Create New Skill to launch the interactive skill-building chatbot and give it these exact instructions. Go to my AIBICEPS LinkedIn page, which is all about AI and robotics. Create a skill that finds the most recent trending AI news daily using sources like Google News. It should draft a relevant post and generate a branded post image. For the image text, use a bold font like Oswald with text colors yellow and cyan, matching my YouTube thumbnail branding style found here. Also, remember to add an AIBICEPS watermark to the image. If you have any questions, ask me. The platform processes our request and maps out an automated workflow structure. It will pull top trends from Google News, design a promotional graphic using an image generation model, and schedule the update. To refine it, I'll type a few quick adjustments. Please make this skill strictly private so only I can use it. Also, use the GPT image model instead of Nano Banana, and never publish anything automatically without my manual approval. Send previews to my Telegram and Gmail first. I'll hit save and our custom skill is successfully created. You'll now see a dedicated test skill playground appear right next to it. Before testing, make sure to go back to your Integrations tab and link your LinkedIn account. Now let's run a test prompt in our new skill box. Test prompt. I've connected my account. Now find today's top AI news and prepare a branded post for the AIBICEPS LinkedIn page. Send the preview to my Telegram and Gmail first. Let's watch it generate. Wow, look at that! It pulled a trending news story, drafted a highly engaging caption, and generated a clean, branded preview image right inside the chat window. Better yet, the exact same preview just popped up on my phone inside my Telegram chat. From here, I can review the text, make any tweaks, and hit approve to post it directly to my professional page. You can do this exact same setup for Twitter, Instagram, or almost any major platform. If you go back to your dashboard under Installed Skills, your new custom automation will be waiting for you in your private content center, while the Public tab will hold creations from other users that you can copy. I highly recommend checking out their Use Case Library tab as well. It is packed with awesome inspiration to help you optimize your business workflows. Honestly, what I love most about this tool is the sheer simplicity. If you don't have the time or patience to learn how to self-host complex open-source developer scripts like OpenClaw, this gives you a massive chunk of that same automation power with a completely managed cloud interface. Like I said at the start, it is a paid platform, but if you are looking to scale your productivity, it is absolutely worth looking into. I'll make sure to put the website link along with my custom discount code down in the description and the pinned comment below, so you can grab some extra credits to play with this weekend. Go check it out, let me know what kind of custom skills you end up building in the comments, smash that subscribe button to keep breaking the algos, and I will see you guys in the next video. Keep building.